Today we're going to be looking at streaming FPV over the internet. Now, what I've seen other people do on this is they predominantly do a lot of streaming via their own PCs. So they gear everything up. What I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can stream from anywhere as long as you've got a mobile phone with a data connection. So you obviously need a mobile phone, you need an ROT GO2 FPV receiver, and you need whatever flavour of FPV drone that you're going to use. I'm going to use a tiny whip because it's cold outside. Right, so let's show you how to do it. First of all, you're going to connect up your phone. For all the instructions about this device, I've got another video that talks all about how you can use this. So I am going to now turn on my OTG settings. OTG on. Should now recognise the device and it should fire up. There we go, so it's now receiving. Hopefully you can now see that. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to turn my plug in my drone. So hopefully, there we go. You should now be able to see what I can see. So let's put that over here. Excellent. Okay, so hopefully you can still see me. Excellent. Right, so now we're connected on there and we're connected on there. So what we're now going to do is we're going to go to an app called Bitstream. Now Bitstream has a number of different options. You can use Twitch, you can use Facebook, we can use YouTube, and we can use other various other bits and pieces. I'm going to use YouTube because it's nice and easy. So I select YouTube. I'm going to select Go Live. Is then going to select the type of Go Live it is. I'm not going to go into that today. I'm just going to go for persistent. You should now be able to see me filming myself. I can then select OK. There's various settings on this. You can change the rates and you can do various other bits and pieces, but for the moment this is it. So I am now connecting, and eventually in the top right it should now tell me I am now broadcasting. So this is now broadcasting our private stream that I've got going, and it is also recording this at the same time, so I should be able to sync these two things up. Right, so now if I select this option up here, I can select the main source, I can select screen. Start now. So now it's now showing whatever I've got on my screen. So if I now go into my Go FPV viewer, I should now be streaming what I've got here. So if I now gear myself up, and the reason I've gone for a indoor drone is to be done outdoors. It does obviously require you to have a data setting, which obviously this is using data. It's currently using my Wi-Fi, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. So if I now set this up and I now open the door, I should be able to now fly around my house.
So, Future Paul here. I downloaded this video and I was quite impressed with how the quality turned out, but what I wasn't impressed with is the audio. Now what I didn't realise is it actually drew all the audio out from the system itself, so it has this horrible feedback noise because I'm running smart audio, so I get this horrible noise. If you run audio, it would work, I think. If you're not, and you have, like me, no audio or smart audio, you are going to need to mute the channel because it doesn't output very well at all. So that's a bit of a disadvantage, but you get the general feed, and that works really nicely. Anyway, I'm about to be really pathetic here and fail to go underneath a chair, so I'll let you go back to current Paul.
So there you go. That is the ability to stream FPV from anywhere as long as you've got a data connection, a mobile phone, one of these, the ROT GO2, and that's pretty much it. Away you go. I don't think I've seen anyone else do this, so hopefully everyone finds this interesting. I'd find it quite cool if you could do multiple streams. In fact, I've debated whether I could do this at a race event with flicking between different races. That's a whole nother idea. But hopefully you've enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.